Now let's get into the categories where GoHighLevel really shines, starting with the CRM. A CRM, or customer relationship management tool, is the place where you keep track of all your contacts, leads, and customers, and where they are in your sales process. It's also the foundation everything else in GoHighLevel is built on, since most of their other features end up tying back to your contacts in one way or another. GoHighLevel handles the basics here really well. You get unlimited contacts on every plan, visual pipelines where you can drag and drop your leads through, and tags that you can use to organize your segments and contacts however you want. But the standout feature is the unified inbox, where every conversation you're having with a contact, whether that's email, SMS, Facebook Messenger, or Instagram DMs, all land in one thread. If you've ever tried to piece this together with all separate tools, you know that can be painful. You end up copying messages between tabs or duct taping things together with Zapier, which can also break. You can do something similar with HubSpot here on the CRM side, and the experience is good there too. But HubSpot can get costly as you scale, while GoHighLevel keeps the same price no matter how many contacts you add. If that matters for you, it's a real win for GoHighLevel.